Okay, we're back. We're doing a little update on the bomber today. And I've gotten a few things done off camera. Just something to kind of jazz her up a little bit. First thing, this was all black, and I went ahead and painted it silver to give it some kind of color in there. And also, I've done my fuel cell. Give that some color. And the wife finally got my interior painted. So we painted the guys' uniforms blue, put the skull heads on. But they came out pretty nice. So I'm going to try and put a few things on here before I put this interior kit back in. I got my upgraded steering arms. Also came with a high torque servo. I'm guessing that means it's not as wimpy as a normal one. It's a servo saver. Excuse me. Then I got my aluminum trailing arms there, so we ain't got to worry about these bendy things. So we're going to start putting them things on, and I'll kind of show you as it goes. Also, I'm thinking of putting one of my new ESS1 Plus sound kits in here. I think I got enough room down here near the bottom to be able to put that sound kit in and have enough space, hopefully. But we'll see. So let me start taking this thing apart, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got a little ahead of myself and forgot to record. But I got my sound kit in here. I made a little teeny plate down there to mount it. The interior fits in alright. Everything hooks up alright. I turned it on and it had a horrible engine one. Plus the shifting was on and everything else. So I'm going to change the sound to something I think will be a little more appropriate for this buggy. And when I get that done, I'll be right back. Alright, be back in a minute. Okay. We got our sound kit in there. And everything's coming out pretty good. Let's see if I can set this down. I'll plug it up for you. Alright, this is the first sound. Then when that shuts off, you hit and hold the minus button, and that changes to the second sound. I'm trying to place to put this camera. Alright. Pull the trigger. That's the second sound. Alright, well, I'm going to get this interior back together, and then I'll probably wrap up this one and I'll do another video with the upgrade for the links and the steering arm. This one's probably getting a little long. Alright, I'll be right back and I'll show you the interior done. Okay, there we go with it all back together. Got the drivers in there, all painted up. Looks good. These parts here painted. Fuel cells painted. I think it looks pretty good. And we got our sound kit. I guess it just wouldn't be right if we didn't run it around at least once a little bit. Alright, so y'all give me a break because I got to drive with one hand again. Alright, came out pretty nice, I think. Now we do the upgrade on them steering arms and them back links. Alright, until the next time, thanks for watching. So please like, please share, and please comment. Alright, see ya.